Breaking news. Iran launches massive counterattack on Israel after strikes on nuclear site Escalates. On the air tonight with breaking developments in the escalating conflict between Iran and Israel. Just hours after Israel launched a sweeping and deadly assault targeting Iran's nuclear program, Iran has responded with a powerful wave of missile attacks against Israeli cities, including Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. All of Israel is now under fire. The Israeli military has released dramatic footage showing the interception of Iranian drones and missiles over major urban centers. The country's Iron Dome and other defense systems have intercepted many of the incoming projectiles, but not all. Fires and explosions have been reported in multiple locations, with buildings damaged and casualties feared. In Tel Aviv, the night sky lit up as Iranian missiles rained down. Some struck targets inside the city, despite Israel's robust air defenses. Residents are sheltering as emergency services conduct search and rescue operations. The Iranian strikes are a direct response to Israel's largest military operation in decades, one described by officials as a preemptive strike. Overnight, more than 200 Israeli aircraft hit over 100 high-value targets inside Iran, including its main nuclear enrichment facility in Natanz. The operation also reportedly targeted several top Iranian military leaders and nuclear scientists. Among those killed, the commander of Iran's armed forces and the head of its ballistic missile program. In addition to the airstrikes, Israeli intelligence operatives from the Mossad are said to have infiltrated Iran in recent weeks, planting explosives and disabling parts of Iran's air defense systems. Video released by Israeli officials claims to show covert operations on the ground. Israel is calling the campaign Operation Rising Lion, and Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is warning that this is only the beginning. Iran's nuclear ambitions are a clear and present danger to the survival of the State of Israel, Netanyahu said. This campaign will continue for days to come, the United States, while claiming it was not directly involved in the initial Israeli attack, is now actively assisting in the defense of Israeli airspace. U.S. forces have reportedly intercepted some missiles aimed at Israel. American officials stressed that while they were informed of Israel's plans in advance, the operation was executed by Israel alone. Earlier this week, President Trump had urged Israel to hold off, citing ongoing diplomatic efforts. But tonight, he told ABC News that the Israeli attack was excellent, adding, "We gave Iran a chance, they didn't take it. They got hit hard, very hard, and there's more to come." Iran's supreme leader has vowed revenge, stating, "They started this war, we will not let them escape the consequences of this grave crime." Iranian officials warn their retaliation is just beginning. As this new phase of conflict unfolds, the region is bracing for what could become a prolonged and dangerous escalation. Israeli officials confirmed their military campaign against Iran is far from over.